How to tell if a garage door motor is bad. A garage door motor is a key component of your opener system, and when it starts to fail, there are a few telltale signs to look out for. First, pay attention to unusual noises. A failing motor often produces grinding, buzzing, or humming sounds that are louder than usual. Next, if your garage door hesitates, moves slower than normal, or doesn't open or close at all, it could be due to a motor issue. Another common sign is inconsistent operation, like the door stopping midway or reversing unexpectedly, which might indicate the motor isn't providing enough power. Additionally, if you notice a burning smell or see smoke, it's a clear indicator that the motor is overheating or experiencing electrical issues. If you suspect the motor is bad, start by checking for simple issues like disconnected wires, power supply problems, or tripped circuit breakers. Sometimes, lubricating the door's moving parts or resetting the opener can resolve minor issues. However, if these steps don't help, it's best to call a garage door professional to diagnose and repair the problem. Motors can wear out over time, especially if your opener is over 10 years old or has been used frequently. In some cases, replacing the motor or the entire opener system may be more cost-effective than repairing it. Ignoring these signs can lead to further damage to your garage door system, so it's important to address them promptly for safe and smooth operation. Regular maintenance and timely repairs will help extend the life of your garage door system and ensure it works reliably when you need it most. Don't wait for a complete failure. Take action at the first signs of trouble.